Hi my viewers and listeners of Awilewa TV. Today we are going to see on how to make money using Instagram. There are many ways to make money on Instagram, but here are a few of the most popular. 1. Partner with brands. If you have a large and engaged following, you can partner with brands to promote their products or services. This can be done through sponsored posts, product placements, or even just by mentioning the brand in your captions. 2. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. To do this, you'll need to sign up for affiliate programs and then promote the products or services to your followers. 3. Drive traffic to your website. If you have a website or blog, you can use Instagram to drive traffic to it. This can be done by sharing links to your website in your bio, captions, and stories. 4. Offer Instagram marketing services. If you have experience with Instagram marketing, you can offer your services to businesses. This could include creating and managing their Instagram account, developing a content strategy, and running ad campaigns. 5. Sell your photos or art. If you're a photographer or artist, you can sell your photos or art on Instagram. You can do this by creating a shop on your profile or by linking to your Etsy store or website. 6. Earn live badges from fans. When you go live on Instagram, your fans can buy badges to support you. The more badges you earn, the more money you'll make. 7. Offer paid subscriptions. If you create exclusive content for your Instagram followers, you can offer them a paid subscription. This will give them access to your content before everyone else, and you'll earn money from their subscriptions. 8. Sell used stuff. If you have items you no longer need, you can sell them on Instagram. This is a great way to declutter your home and make some extra cash. 9. Teach your audience. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can teach your audience on Instagram. You can do this by creating tutorials, hosting Q&A sessions, or even just sharing your knowledge in your captions. No matter which method you choose, it's important to remember that making money on Instagram takes time and effort. You need to be consistent with your posting, engage with your followers, and promote your account. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can make money on Instagram. Here are some additional tips for making money on Instagram. Find your niche. It's important to find a niche that you're passionate about and that you know your audience is interested in. This will help you attract and engage more followers. Create high-quality content. Your content should be visually appealing and informative. It should also be relevant to your niche and your audience's interests. Use relevant hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to help people find your content. Promote your account. Promote your account on other social media platforms, in your email signature, and on your website. Collaborate with other Instagrammers. Collaborate with other Instagrammers in your niche to cross-promote each other's accounts. Be patient. It takes time to build a following and make money on Instagram. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating great content and engaging with your followers. With hard work and dedication, you can make money on Instagram. Just remember to be patient, consistent, and creative. Next videos we will check into details every opportunity mentioned in this video. Don't plan to miss them. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Maximilian Crescent Temba. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click like if you like this video. Have a good day. Bye.